Hi everyone, my name is Abbey Duinker and I'm an MSS candidate, and today I will be sharing with you my research on bird building collisions in Saskatoon. When I say the word migration, what is the first thing that comes to your mind? Personally, I would automatically think of hordes of migrating species featured on BBC nature documentaries like bison, monarch butterflies, and countless other bird species. However, did any of you correlate the term collision with migration? Until this project, I didn't either, but now when I hear the term migration, I think about collisions. And collisions with what, you may ask? The answer, bird building collisions. Billions of birds migrate through Canada each year as they head to and from their breeding and wintering grounds, and it's estimated that approximately 25 million birds die yearly from bird building collisions. That is image 1 on the slide. So there is limited data on the topic. However, smaller grassroots organizations like community groups, non-for-profit groups, and charities are working hard to collect data in order to advocate to the cities that they live in that bird building collisions are indeed an issue in Canada. Living Sky Wildlife Rehabilitation, LSWR for short, located in Saskatoon, is a non-for-profit organization looking to address bird building collisions in the city. And so in partnership with LSWR, my research set out to identify if bird building collisions are indeed an issue in the city, and I did this through conducting a detailed data analysis, figure 2 on the slide. The findings from the research indicated that there is an issue in Saskatoon, and my recommendations from the data consisted of a two-pronged approach that would reduce collisions and increase safe passage for migratory birds. The first recommendation came from the data showing that the highest frequency of bird building collisions per neighborhood occurred in the downtown core area, where there is the highest density of commercial buildings. So therefore, I recommended that the city partner with LSWR to develop bird-friendly building guidelines and policy for commercial, industrial, and public buildings, figure 3 on the slide. The second recommendation came from data showing that residential houses have the highest frequency of collisions based on building type, due to the number of houses compared to other buildings. Therefore, I recommended that LSWR focus their awareness efforts on the neighborhood with the highest collisions based on residential houses. Therefore, to increase awareness of bird building collisions and encourage citizens to implement mitigation strategies within their own homes. Figure 4 on the slide. So this way, LSWR can focus their resources on two areas and look to address bird building collisions from a grassroots bottom-up approach, as well as a top-down policy approach, hopefully creating safe passage for birds as they migrate through the city of Saskatoon. So with these recommendations in mind, hopefully in the near future, when I hear the term migration associated with Saskatoon, the first word that will come to mind is safe passage instead of collisions, figure 5. Thank you for listening. I hope you enjoyed my presentation.